Dear friends, as you are all ready to take the IC-38 exam in 2024, I wanted to share an invaluable resource with you. We have prepared a comprehensive video covering crucial questions and answers that will significantly aid your preparation. This video is designed to highlight the key areas you need to focus on, ensuring you are well prepared and confident. Make sure to go through the video thoroughly as it provides insights and detailed explanations of the most important topics. With dedication and the right preparation, I am confident that each one of you will excel in the exam. Best of luck to all of you. Let's pass this exam together. Question number 1. What is the primary purpose of insurance? The answer is to provide financial protection against losses. Question number 2. What is a premium in insurance terms? The answer is the amount paid by the insured for coverage. Question number 3. What is a policyholder? The answer is the person who owns the insurance policy. Question number 4. What is the role of an insurance agent? The answer is to sell and service insurance policies. Question number 5. What does indemnity mean in insurance? The answer is compensation for loss to restore the insured. Question number 6. What is a claim in insurance? The answer is a request for payment of a loss covered by policy. Question number 7. What is underwriting in insurance? The answer is the process of evaluating risk and issuing policies. Question number 8. What is a deductible? The answer is the amount the insured must pay before the insurer pays. Question number 9. What does exclusion mean in an insurance policy? The answer is conditions not covered by the policy. Question number 10. What is a life insurance policy? The answer is a contract that pays a sum on the death of the insured. Question number 11. What is a health insurance policy? The answer is a contract that covers medical expenses. Question number 12. What is a beneficiary? The answer is the person who receives the policy benefits. Question number 13. What is term insurance? The answer is life insurance for a specified period. Question number 14. What is whole life insurance? The answer is life insurance that covers the insured's entire life. Question number 15. What is an annuity? The answer is a contract that provides regular payments. Question number 16. What is property insurance? The answer is insurance covering property loss or damage. Number 17. What is casualty insurance? The answer is insurance covering liability for accidents. Question number 18. What is reinsurance? The answer is insurance purchased by insurers to manage risk. Question number 19. What is a premium waiver? The answer is a clause that waives premium payments under certain conditions. Question number 20. What is insurable interest? The answer is a stake in the value of the insured item or person. Question number 21. What is the principle of utmost good faith in insurance? The answer is obligation to disclose all relevant information. Question number 22. What is moral hazard? The answer is increased risk of loss due to insured's behavior. Question number 23. What is adverse selection? The answer is high-risk individuals are more likely to buy insurance. Question number 24. What is a rider in insurance terms? The answer is an additional provision added to a policy. Question number 25. What is the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India? The answer is the regulator of the insurance industry in India. Question number 26. What is an endowment policy? The answer is a policy that pays a lump sum after a specified term or on death. Question number 27. What is a group insurance? The answer is insurance covering a group of people. Question number 28. What is a floater policy? The answer is insurance covering multiple items or people under one policy. Question number 29. What is marine insurance? The answer is insurance covering loss or damage at sea. Question number 30. What is fire insurance? The answer is insurance covering fire-related damage. Question number 31. What is motor insurance? The answer is insurance covering vehicles. Question number 32. What is travel insurance? The answer is insurance covering travel-related risks. Question number 33. What is liability insurance? The answer is insurance covering legal liabilities. Question number 34. What is a policy lapse? The answer is termination of a policy due to non-payment of premium. Question number 35. What is policy surrender? The answer is voluntarily terminating a policy before maturity. Question number 36. What is a free look period? The answer is a period allowing cancellation of a new policy without penalty. Question number 37. What is a no-claim bonus? The answer is a discount for not making any claims during a policy term. Question number 38. What is the sum assured? The answer is the guaranteed amount paid on death or maturity. Question number 39. What is a survival benefit? The answer is payments made at regular intervals during the policy term. Question number 40. What is a policy endorsement? The answer is a change or addition to an existing insurance policy. Question number 41. What is a grace period in insurance? The answer is additional time to pay the premium after the due date. Question number 42. What is a health rider? The answer is an additional benefit added to a health insurance policy. Question number 43. What is subrogation in insurance? The answer is the insurer's right to pursue a third party for recovery of loss. Question number 44. What is co-payment in health insurance? The answer is the insured's share of the claim amount. Question number 45. What is an actuary? The answer is a professional who assesses financial risk using mathematics. Question number 46. What is claim settlement? The answer is the process of paying out the insurance claim. Question number 47. What is third-party insurance? The answer is insurance covering damages to others caused by the insured. Question number 48. What is a TPA? That is third-party administrator. The answer is an entity that processes insurance claims on behalf of insurers. Question number 49. What is a cashless claim in health insurance? The answer is direct settlement of medical bills by the insurer without payment by the insured. Question number 50. What is an insurance broker? The answer is a professional who advises clients and sells insurance products.